This man gathered with his friends at a breathtakingly beautiful but incredibly dangerous spot. They were filming him as he prepared for a crazy stunt. He climbed over a guardrail, stood on the edge of a rocky cliff, and jumped straight into the roaring waterfall below. Everyone held their breath, their eyes glued to him. What happened next was unbelievable. I'll show you the video, but first, if you jump for your friends, prove it in 3 seconds. Like this video, hit subscribe, and share it with the first person on your list. Don't forget to leave a heart in the comments for this daring man and his stunned friends.